Hey everybody, this is Kip from America Bumper to Bumper. Today we are on our final video from the Autumn Leaves car show, so let's get into the cars. Vroom vroom. And our first car is this really nice looking Triumph TR6. This is a 1973. As we can see, and I lift up the paper there, 1973. Great car. I'm not sure if this is true British racing green or not, but that's what I'm going to call it. Great looking car. And now we're coming up on a 1965 Mercury Comet. So this the Comet is the sister car to the Ford Fairlane for this period of time. Later in life, from the first video for this car show, we showed you another Mercury Comet, and that was the sister car to the Ford Maverick. And now we're coming up on a 64 Ford Falcon Sprint. And the Ford Falcon was the basis of the Ford Mustang, for anyone that doesn't know. '68 Pontiac Firebird. 400 under the hood. At least that's what it says on the hood. So we're gonna believe it. It's a great looking car. Love the styling they used to put into the old turn signals, side markers. Now we're looking at a 1961 Buick Skylark. Very nice, very nicely restored or kept car if it hasn't been restored. Here's an International Scout. We've looked at this in a couple other different shows, I believe. But you don't see very many of these around, so might as well take another look. And here is a GMC Sierra. It's got a nice lift on it. Really nice looking truck. Third gen IROC-Z Camaro. Automatic car, which T-tops, yeah. Pretty clean looking example of the third gen Camaros. We've looked at this 69 Firebird, well, Trans Am, a bunch of different times, a bunch of different shows. So again, don't go into it too much, but it is a fantastic looking car. Same goes with this Plymouth Superbird. This has been at a bunch of different shows. Great car. I love looking at it each time. Same goes with this 75 Vega and this 70 Javelin. And now we're coming up on this 57 Chevy Bel Air. I love the red, white, and blue motif of the car. Really cool. And here we have I believe it's a 55 Studebaker President Speedster. Got confused looking at this car. I thought it was a Hawk, but couldn't quite figure it out. And then I came across the President nameplate. Pretty cool car, very interesting and bright interior. interesting colors for the exterior as well, but a great looking car. An oddity of the 80s, this is a Subaru XT. As a kid, I always thought these were the coolest things and wanted one. And you know, if I had the chance, I'd still get one. They're interesting, cool little cars. 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 convertible. With all the dust on it, makes it look like it's a barn find car. I don't know if that is indeed the case, but it's nice to see it out and about. 1964 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. I can only imagine how comfy those seats are. They look amazing, and I love the vented windows, both front and back. And we've looked at this Mustang GT several times before. I believe it's a 66. And here's a 66 Chevy Corvette. This is the C2 generation. The absolute sexiest, best looking Corvette generation of all time, and I will fight anybody that disagrees. And here we're looking at a Ford F-150. It's the latest generation of the F-150. Looks pretty cool with the red with the black rims. Pretty cool looking. And we got another Firebird. This one I believe is a 69. I love seeing these things out because generally you'll see more Camaros than the Firebirds, but that was really cool. Now we're looking at T-Bucket. Nice interior on that. Let's see, I believe we're looking at a 55 Ford Crown Victoria. Love this car. And I'd never known how those Continental wheels work until I saw this gentleman playing around with his. Willie's pickup truck. I don't know if this is the Jeepster or what, you know, exactly the nameplate of this is, but it is a Willie's pickup. Predecessor of the new Jeep Gladiator. Jeep, again, if anybody's watching from Jeep, I would love to have one of those. I'll give you free advertising. VW bus. This is the Westphalia edition. I like how the seat turns around 180, and the bed, and of course you've got the camper top popped out. You kind of see it right there. Very nice van. This is the Pontiac GTO from the 2000s, before Pontiac was no more. Like what the owner has done with it, with the headlights and whatnot. And we're looking at another one. Not sure if it's the same year or not, but a lot of people were upset that they brought back the GTO name for this, but I think it was a great car to have it on. Now we're looking at a 69 Camaro SS convertible. With a 13 ball for the gear shift, that's awesome. And this was a dream come true, being able to see this. This is a Lamborghini Countach 5000. Don't remember the exact year, but this is a later modeled car. Fantastic, awesome. I love the body colored rims. The whole car was just amazing. Later on, I didn't get it on film, but later on the owner had the doors open so you could see inside and whatnot, and it, oh, love it. Now we're looking at a Fox Body Mustang. We've seen this at other shows. And here is a Dodge Challenger, 70, I don't know, 1.2, something like that. Love the pistol grip shifter on it. And the shaker hood. '69 Chevelle. Looks like a big block under the hood there. I love the Undertaker doll. Pretty cool, the black on black. 72 Mustang Mach 1. And this, I believe, is the AMC Spirit. Definitely not a stock engine for the car. This car hood looks like it has had a massive amount of work done to it. Drag car, perhaps. I'm going to guess from the roll cage and the huge tack. Very well done. And to find a car, an AMC of this era in that good of a condition, props. And second to last car is this awesome rat rod. And the last car we're not really going to talk about. We're just going to hear it go by. Got a video of a car driving in or out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this final video of the 2018 car season. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you know when new videos are being uploaded. Finally, just give you guys a little heads up on what's going to be coming down the pike. I will be doing some best ofs. Not sure exactly what like car models or whatever I'm going to do, but we'll do some best ofs. I'm also going to be doing some top 4 or 5, probably 5, cars that I like, all different sort of categories, trucks, cars, exotics, stuff like that. And we'll see what else happens between now and then. As I said in my live stream, we are going to be going to videos will now start being uploaded Mondays, Wednesdays, and then we'll do the live feed on Friday. This week being the only exception because I haven't got something ready for tomorrow. So we'll do Wednesday and Friday this week, and then until car season starts back up, we're going to be Monday, Wednesday, and then the live feed on Friday. Have a day. Hopefully it's a good one.